Last time on Sailing Balachandra, we hung out in Christmas Cove, had pizza from Pizza Pie, and then we sailed to St Croix in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Hi, if you're new to the channel, I'm Noelle.
And I'm Dan.
And we're sailing Balachandra. We've sailed from Nova Scotia, Canada, all the way to the Caribbean, and we've been putt-putting around for the last couple of months now.
That's right. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so right now. Just go below the video, look for the big red button that says subscribe, press that button right now.
The reef at Christiansted, St Croix is beautiful and has many conch living on the seabed. We took a couple large ones to try cooking them.
Underneath, on the bottom, against the inside of the shell, not on the top. Not right at the top, but on the bottom. Spread back under. Until you're satisfied with both. And out he comes. So much easier that time. There you go. Hold on.
We left St Croix for Charlotte Amalie for supplies, then quickly left again to return to Magens Bay.
Raising the anchor, we noticed there was quite a bit of stuff stuck inside, from plywood to mud to sand, and it was really crammed in there. We tried clearing it by motoring and letting the water wash it clear, but in the end it took repeated raising and lowering to properly clear the anchor. When Noelle and I raise the jib, sometimes we trade places. It's typical for me to set up the lines while she points us into the wind. And then we switch places. I grab the jib sheet and deploy the jib. And then sometimes we switch places again to take wind into the sail. We don't always do it this way, but we've sailed together for a long time now, and this has become kind of our routine. Charlotte Amalie this morning, and we are sailing to Magens Bay again. We've been to Magens Bay already and we loved it. We're going back now because the US Virgin Islands have opened the beaches, and we never got a chance to check out the beach at Magens Bay the first time we were there. And we're here in the US Virgin Islands a little longer, so we thought, what the heck, let's go check it out. So that's what we're doing today. Fair bit of wind. Going around St. Thomas means sailing pretty much half of the entire island, so it's downwind halfway and then upwind the other half. We're just on the downwind sail now, and pretty soon we'll turn the corner at the bottom of the island, and then we'll have an upwind sail, which is a little tougher. There might be some tacking, but we chose a day where the wind was pretty good, that we should only have maybe 2 tacks and a pretty good wind angle.
We put one reef in the mainsail, but decided not to raise it due to extremely high winds on the north side of St. Thomas. Thanks for watching this week's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the big red subscribe button below the screen here. Just click that and then you won't miss out on what's to come. Also, go back and check some of our previous videos. There's tons there for you to select from.
If you want, you can leave a like or a comment, and if you haven't checked out our Patreon page, please do so. Just go check it out. That's a place for you to give back if you like our videos and you want to support us. That's where you do it. Thanks for watching. See you later.
See ya.